Hey guys, Kyle here with Lone Peak. Time for a quick production update. So behind me we have a totally reworked production line. Before we're building campers, everything was kind of spread out, not super efficient. Now everything is literally in a straight line. So starting from the back of the shop, we do all of our CNC milling on the panels, we do our cutting on the extrudes, they get put onto a cart. From the cart, they go to a jig table where we build the frame. From there, they get dropped to the floor where we do the roof. After that's done, we do final QA as they get pushed to the front of the building and then out into the yard for shipping and for you guys to come pick up. So that's gonna be an awesome upgrade to the line into efficiency. Now I wanna answer a question that some of you guys have online. Some of you guys have been saying that somebody with a higher order number than you has been getting their camper before. Now there's two reasons of why that might be. The first is that we're tracking down test fit trucks to actually test fit a frame before we build your camper so that we can make sure it fits perfectly. We have measurements, but we want to make sure that before we actually build it and it gets to you, that it's perfect. So this might shuffle things around by a week or two, but don't worry, we have these things coming in and getting them taken care of. Number two is that Keisha is sending out confirmation emails in batches of 25. And so it's kind of on you to schedule that confirmation call, because as soon as that confirmation is complete, we send the order to our cut shop and your camper starts getting built inside the shop here. So make sure you're on that and you schedule your call as soon as possible to get your order out. Now, a couple things on the website I've talked about in prior videos. We have our stainless steel channel nuts that are on there. There's T-slots everywhere on the camper, inside and out, so it's kind of your playground to build it however you want. So if you want to mount our accessories or your own, you can use those. I think they come in packs of 10. We also have the channel cover, so if you want to do your own wiring, honestly, it's kind of up to you. Whatever you want to put in the channels, you can run whatever you want. Cover it up with a nice plastic strip that clicks into place. Those are sold, Keisha, are those a 5-pack, 4-pack, 4 or 5-pack, something like that. Check out the website. And then we also have our locking pins available. They come in a set of 2 so that you can keep your camper from being opened up. Make sure that nobody gets in your camper and your stuff is secure. So hope this is all helpful. Stay tuned for our next update. Hit us up at team@lonepeakoverland.com.